Speed bump. Welcome to the lab, YouTube. Another video with this guy, my co-host for today, Brian. Very pale complexion guy. He finally decided to come out and get some sun, and we are working on his little Honda Civic. But anyways, long story short, we got some lowering springs, H&R, you know, H&R springs. So I guess this is a lowering spring install video slash watch Brian work on cars. He doesn't seem too mechanical.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
So let's get the party started. Alright, so if you happen to be the lucky owner of one of these Civics, what generation is this? Ninth generation. I'm gonna give you a quick bolt rundown, that way you know what to do, and then, you know, I'm gonna just do it, but so you know what to do, because if you look in the back, there's just a spring. You just gotta pop this one out, put that one in. So what do we have here? I would honestly do it in reverse. I'll probably take that bolt back out there, but we'll figure it out when we get there. But on the front, I went through this already. Secret cubby right here. Look at this. Secret cubby. And then we got, this is a 21. Nope, 22. 7/8. 22, 7/8, same thing. Backside, 19. There's two of them. We got a 14 for this beautiful sway bar, 14. And this is a 12 for this little bolt right here. And then let's check the top. Top, 14. Just so you can see it for your question asking guys, 14. Boom. So we're gonna get started. This is gonna be the quickest lowering spring video ever. You see this hand on his lap? It's official. Not really. Brian's taking the top one out. The top one. The front one out. You have to reach in that little cubby and take them top bolts off. Boom. Come straight down. Here is a front. And then in the back. When I've been had this done. 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 14s, 14 millimeter. So it's one right here holding this piece, one right here at the bottom of the shock, and then one for the sway bar comes from the back side. Probably need an extension. So boom. And then after that it drops down. You just push down on it, you see this, and then pop it out. Then you put the new one on. But this is the old one. But the new one. Put the new one on. And then get a jack. What I'm gonna do next. Get a jack. Put the jack under there, jack it up so it can match up to this part and put this bolt in. And then worry about the shock and then the sway bar, because the shock's usually super easy. And then, but this is the main one, because as you can see, it's not coming down because it's holding it up. So I'm gonna put this down, put it back together, and then we are going to swap some springs out, because I got a handy dandy spring compressor. Harbor Freight special right here. You already know. Hey, savings. And honestly, like on some springs you can squeeze them. See how like much room it has, like, or how like if it'll shoot off or not, because sometimes you don't even need this, to be real with you. But for safety first, we're gonna use this, put it on here, pop this off, boom. Safety first. Fast forward. got done doing the little spring compressor. Went ahead and threw that bad boy back in. Boom, bolts in there. 19, 19, 7, 8, 7, 8, 14. Beautiful. 14s right here, put the cap back in. 14s in the back, put the jack back in. Whole wrapper out here. But here's your springs, and if you end up getting these, I do want to note, rear left side. Let's see if it shows the other side. Wheel. Wheel. So you don't get to see, but it indicates which one, because these were like actually per wheel, not just front and back. And you can't see it on there, but it said it right there. So it's like left front, left rear, right front. And we're putting these bolts back on. Gonna put the car down, show you what it looks like. And yeah, that's your install. Quick and easy, like maybe an hour if you know what you're doing.
Got my tea.
It's in the drawer. Dun-dun-dun-dun. How we feeling?
Good.
He's feeling good. This is your Honda Civic lowering springs video. Simply done by us. Quick, easy, didn't take too long. Lowered it a few inches. How many inches you thinking?
1.6 in the front, 1.3 in the rear.
2 Asian penises. You heard it here first. Super low.
How do we measure things in Sanders' garage? By Asian penises.
By Asian penis length. If it was a 6-inch drop, maybe 10-inch drop, mandingo. But anyways, there's your drop. I'm gonna settle some more. Maybe finish clearing up that wheel gap. But compared to before, way lower. Huge difference. How huge?
Huge.
Huge. But anyways, as always, like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this for viewers like you. That was a good one from PBS, right? But anyways, before we go, I would like to mention I have a new sponsor, Dress Up Bolts. If you don't know what it is, check out their page. They sell titanium bolts, and if you use my code Sanders the God, like off my Instagram, Sanders the God, you get 10% off because I got a sponsorship. Yes, sponsorship. So you get 10% off. Use Sanders the God at Dress Up Bolts, and I may preview their website, but you just during checkout, discount code, all capital letters, Sanders the God. And you guys have a great day. See you next time. Peace out.